recently in my last video, I believe it was, I talked about how I was down with the sickness. I had COVID, and that was in Las Vegas, and it was horrible, and it lasted like 10 days. So now it's time to worry about getting the truck clean and back to healthy standards. When I do my laundry, I use the Lysol sanitizer, definitely add that in. I've got Clorox wipes, I've got Febreze to freshen it up. I've got Lysol because that's going to kill the germs, air freshener, Windex, the whole 9 yards. So I am going to clean the dashboard. I've got vinyl walls. That's where I'm going to use Lysol. You can use Lysol on bedding and pillows too. So try to get your curtains, get all the germs cleaned out of there. All right, so the Freightliner Cascadia has 2 locations where there are filters that you can change yourself. One of them is down behind this panel here, which I have my power there, but it's right in here. You can see it located right there. So if I pull that out, it's probably disgusting. So I'm going to be doing that, and then I'll show you the other one. All right, as promised, filter number 2, located behind the kick panel, which I'd love to pull off. And it's right here. Ew, I think I found Jimmy Hoffa. Anyway, you can buy these at like Ace Hardware, Menards, anywhere. You can even cut them to size. So don't forget to do that. It's going to improve your air quality in your cabin. And as always, don't forget to submit your receipts to ATBS. Keep track of those expenses. So all your cleaning supplies, filters, everything like that. So anyway, happy cleaning.